This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a school microscope. First, ensure your microscope is on a sturdy, level surface to prevent any wobbling. If your microscope requires power, plug it in securely. Begin by setting the light source to its lowest intensity. This prevents damage to your eyes and the specimen. Always handle the microscope with 2 hands, one on the arm and one on the base, for safe transport. Next, let's prepare your specimen. Start with a clean slide and cover slip. Place a tiny drop of water or a suitable stain, about 1/8 of an inch in diameter, onto the center of the slide. Carefully lower the cover slip at a 45-degree angle to avoid air bubbles. Once prepared, place the slide onto the microscope stage, ensuring it's held firmly by the stage clips, ready for viewing. Now, let's focus. Begin with the lowest power objective lens, usually 4 times magnification, rotated into position. Use the coarse adjustment knob to slowly raise the stage until the specimen is roughly in focus. Then, switch to a higher power lens, like 10 times or 40 times. At these higher magnifications, only use the fine adjustment knob for sharp, detailed focusing, making small, precise turns to achieve clarity. Finally, optimize your view and ensure proper care. Adjust the diaphragm to control the light intensity, finding the best contrast for your specimen. Remember, never touch the delicate lenses with your fingers. Use only specialized lens paper for cleaning. After use, rotate the lowest power objective back into place, lower the stage, and cover the microscope. Store it in a dry, dust-free environment to maintain its condition for years of future observation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.